Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have the code and a master lock in hand. Begin now. Place it on a stable surface and hold the shackle down to remove slack. Locate the first digit of your combination and rotate the dial slowly until it lines up precisely with the index mark. Once done, stop and pause to let the mechanism settle. You're setting up the initial alignment that allows subsequent digits to engage correctly, so keep motions deliberate and steady rather than rushing. With the first digit set, continue by following the required dial sequence exactly. The specified number of full turns for master lock models, then land on the second digit. Make sure to count full rotations and pause when the number meets the index. Move to the third digit with the same deliberate motion, stopping crisply. Once the final number is aligned, give the shackle a slight upward pull to check engagement. If it resists, you've likely missed a rotation. After the final pull, open the shackle slowly to avoid forcing and damaging internal parts. If it does not open, return the dial to the start position and re-enter the combination deliberately. Most failures are missed rotations or rush stops. If the dial binds, apply graphite lubricant into the keyway or mechanism, not oil, and work the dial several times. As a last resort, gentle tapping on the body while cycling the dial can free stuck tumblers. If none of this works, contact Master Lock support or a locksmith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.